Hi. So I'm here today with Carrie. Carrie's a team leader, and we've been working together for I think it's just over a year now. Is it, Carrie?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, just on and off, virtually, just over a year, and we've been doing training like communication skills, resilience skills, time management skills. Have I missed anything?
I know we went through how to handle argumentative or abrasive people as well in
Yep. So that was
situations.
challenging conversations,
Yeah.
managing sort of conflicting conversations, and all that sort of stuff. So, how did you find the training virtually?
I personally found it really, really good for myself. I'm not good in huge groups of people, so having one-to-one training was brilliant, and having it like this just made life so much easier because then it was no traveling really involved, if that's a good thing. But for me, doing it this way just it works.
Yeah, because I guess you could select your time, couldn't you?
Yeah, so it was the times when I knew we could actually have the right time because I'd have everyone planned in for what needed to be done during the day at work as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Brilliant. And what were your biggest takeaways? Let's talk about time management. So, what were your biggest takeaways from time management?
Time management, being able to plan things in. I'd set myself a list. I know we went through putting not exactly a rota together, but putting myself a timetable in for this much time in the morning is my time. Leave me alone. I've got to get this done. And then it was handling the different team members, putting delegation into the time management as well. So it was really good, and it was really informative for me being able to do that and getting the information and the help from you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Brilliant. And that time in the morning, is that do not interrupt time? Do you go into a spare room, or do you just put your headphones on, or what is it that you do?
Definitely my headphones. It's that time where I'll put my headphones in, and unless it's the building's on fire or someone's lost an arm, I get left alone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And when we were going through it, how many hours did we save you in a week?
Think it was around 20 hours. Just cutting out the stuff that wasn't necessary, the stuff that other people could do, the stuff that wasn't really under my remit, but I helped with, and it ended up being something I would then have to do. So handing things back to the relevant people really helped.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a proper practical training, really. It was.
Yeah,
I know. I've said it before. I don't really like talking around models and time management models and things like that. I just prefer to go do that, try it, see if it works.
yeah,
Is it 90 minutes in the morning that you're doing?
yeah. It's between 60 and 90, depending on what the rest of the day looks like.
Yeah, and you times that by the working hours of the month, and that's around about 35 hours a month type of thing of uninterrupted time that you've got just for yourself, which is awesome.
Yeah.
So, how many out of those 20 do you reckon? How many of you have you brought that down? You've saved how many hours do you reckon you've saved?
it's I've probably saved half a working year by doing everything I'm supposed to be doing and not doing the things that aren't under my role.
Wow. I mean, that's like massive.
Yeah, I don't
Awesome.
feel as bad going on annual leave now, knowing that I've put things back with the right people, so I can have a break.
Yeah, brilliant. So you now go away and you've got people that you can delegate these tasks to.
Yeah,
I mean, that's just awesome. Cool. Well, well done. Thank you very much. Well done for that. Thanks for joining me and having a quick chat about the training and the virtual training, especially because I know that some people have got a little bit of a oh, it's virtual, but actually virtual can just be as interactive as face to face training. And you also had a lot of you had the handouts, didn't you? You had the worksheets. You were working out things like core values.
yeah,
Is that right? So it's still, as long as you do the work, obviously that's like any training, face-to-face training, in-person training, remote training, virtual training, whatever it is, it's down to the individual sort of doing the work.
yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks very much. So if you're not in my time management challenge, then I am doing a time management challenge. It's a free 5-day time management challenge. There's a task appears each day at 6 a.m. in the morning. Only takes you about 20 minutes to complete, and then we answer any questions sort of in the evening. So if you want any details on that, do get in touch. other than that, I shall say thank you very much, Carrie.
You're welcome.
And I shall stop the recording. Cheers.